Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on languages and input, manage keywords, and revert. Finally, just click on text correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. To manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!